Let me take you through a typical day in my life as a high school student from a middle-class family in India. Morning. My day usually begins around 6 a.m. The alarm rings, and I reluctantly crawl out of bed. After freshening up, I head to the kitchen where my mom has prepared a simple but nutritious breakfast, often consisting of parathas, fruits, and a glass of milk. By 7 a.m., I'm rushing to catch the school bus. The morning commute is a mix of crowded buses, honking traffic, and the vibrant chaos that is an integral part of city life in India. School hours. School starts at 8 a.m. The day is filled with classes ranging from mathematics and science to literature and history. During the short breaks between classes, my friends and I often grab snacks from the school canteen or share the latest gossip. Lunchtime is a highlight, as I eagerly unpack the home-cooked lunch my mom lovingly prepares every morning. It's a moment to connect with the familiar tastes of home amid the hustle of school life. After school. The school day typically ends around 3 p.m. After bidding farewell to friends, I board the bus for the journey back home. Once home, it's time for a quick snack and a brief break. I may catch up on some homework or chat with family members about our day. Around 5 p.m., I attend coaching classes for additional academic support. These classes are an essential part of my routine, considering the competitive nature of exams. Evening. By 7 p.m., I'm back home, and it's dinner time. My family gathers to share the events of the day over a home-cooked meal. Post-dinner, I dedicate some time to self-study and homework. The pressure to perform well in exams is real, and diligent study is crucial. Before bedtime, I might unwind with some TV or a quick scroll through social media. Connecting with friends virtually is another way to relax and share the highs and lows of adolescence. Night. Lights out by 10 p.m. Getting a good night's sleep is crucial for staying focused and energized during the busy school days.